Where are you from, brother?
I'm from Kashmir.
Oh, I know Kashmir is so beautiful place.
Yeah, you know
The
that?
people so beautiful.
Where
I
you
heard
from?
it's have problem there, but like still it's beautiful. I'm from Yemen.
How do you know is problem there?
I watch news. Brother,
Watch news.
brother Muslim and
Yeah.
over there we watch the problem between
Oh,
India and
where you
Pakistan.
from?
I'm from Yemen.
Where?
Yemen.
Yemen. Ah,
But
Yemen.
I live in the United States.
United States. Oh,
Yeah.
you come from right now from America. Eh?
Yeah, America, yeah.
America.
I
All
live
right.
in
Okay. Have a nice time here.
You too, brother.
Thank you very much.
It's gonna be this one on YouTube.
Yeah.
Kashmir.
Kashmir.